Sa mga grade 9, ito ay para sa inyo, Mathematics 9. Ginawa ko ito para mas maintindihan nyo ang ating topic. Magsimula tayo. So, gigilid ko muna itong picture ko. Yan, yung para medyo maliit lang yung pagkakakita nyo sa akin. Lilitan ko yan. Yan, okay na siguro yan. Ngayon, magsimula na tayo. Topic natin ngayon ay illustrates quadratic equations. Yan, illustrates quadratic equations. So, bakit yan ang topic natin ngayon? Kasi, ang most essential learning competencies, yan, most essential learning competencies, or yung belt natin ay, sa first quarter, is illustrates quadratic equation. Yan ang pang week 1 natin. So, simula tayo dun sa alam nyo ba? Alam nyo ba na ang math ay napakadali? Oo, napakadali ng math. Ang dapat nyo lang gawin ay sundan ang pattern at do not memorize. Huwag kayo mag-memorize. So, subukan natin kung talagang madali nga. Kumuha muna kayo ng ballpen at papel at samahan akong sagutan ang mga sumusunod. Illustrates quadratic equations. Ang objectives natin ay the learner is able to identify quadratic equation. At pangalawa, the learner is able to identify the values of A, B, and C in quadratic equations. So, yun ang dalawa nating objectives. Dapat pagkatapos nito, alam nyo yung dalawang yan. So, simulan na natin ulit. What is quadratic equations? Quadratic equation is an equation containing a single variable of degree 2. Its general form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where x is the variable and a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Parang hindi naman madali, di ba? Pero, papadaliin natin yan para sa inyo. Kasi, malakas kayo sa akin. So, padaliin natin. Simulan natin dito. General form. Ang general form niya ay x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Napapansin nyo ba dyan na yung a, b, at c ay kulay blue? Kasi, yan mga yan ay constant. Tignan natin. Itong a is the numerical coefficient of x squared. Yung a, lagi niyang katabi ang x squared. Kahit magkabali-baliktad siya, basta ang laging katabi ng a ay x squared. Naman, b is the numerical coefficient of x. Ang laging katabi ng x ay b. Yun lang yan eh. At yung c is constant numerical term. Ibig sabihin, constant lang siya. Wala siyang katabing x or x squared. Okay. Ito, ax squared, quadratic term ang tawag dyan. Kaya siya naging quadratic equation dahil dito sa quadratic term. Dapat laging may quadratic term. Ito naman yung linear term, yung b. At yung c is yung constant term. So, subukan natin. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yan yung general form. Di ba? So, example, ang a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, at ang c is equal to 2. So, magiging 0x squared, dahil 0 yung a, plus 2x, dahil 2 yung b, at 2 yung c. Magiging 2x plus 2, kasi 0 yung x squared natin. So, yung quadratic term natin, wala. Kaya, if a is equal to 0, not quadratic. Basta 0 ang a, hindi na siya quadratic. Paano kung ganito? A is equal to 2. B naman ang 0. At ang c is equal to 2. Di ang mangyayari dyan sa equation na yan ay 2x squared plus 0x, kasi 0 yung b, plus 2 is equal to 0. Ngayon, magiging ganyan yan. Dahil wala yung x, 2x squared plus 2 na lang is equal to 0. Quadratic term, meron tayong quadratic term. Siya yung 2x squared. So, ibig sabihin, may quadratic term. Kaya, if b is equal to 0, quadratic siya. Okay. Next, paano pag c ang 0? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, at c is equal to 0. C naman ang 0 ngayon. 2x squared plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. Hindi ganyan na lang kasi wala namang c. 2x squared plus 2x is equal to 0. Meron pa rin tayong quadratic term. Is equal to 2x squared pa rin. So, ibig sabihin, may quadratic term ka pa rin. If c is equal to 0, quadratic pa rin yan. Okay. Kung dumadali na, no? Ito naman ngayon. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0, at c is equal to 0. Quadratic ba yan? Tignan natin. 2x squared plus 0x plus 0 is equal to 0. So, wala nang x, wala na ring constant. Kaya magiging 2x squared na lang. Kaya may quadratic term pa rin na 2x squared. Kapag may quadratic term, if b and c is equal to 0, quadratic pa rin yan. Basta may quadratic term. Okay. Therefore, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, yan yung general form. Kapag a is equal to 0, so wala nang x squared dyan, not quadratic. Kapag b is equal to 0, 2x squared, wala siyang x, pero may constant, is equal to 0, quadratic yan. Kapag c is equal to 0, wala yung c, quadratic pa rin yan. At kapag b and c ang wala, x squared lang ang meron, quadratic pa rin yan. So, its general form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where x is the variable and a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So, yan po yung ibig sabihin yan. Basta wag lang 0 ang a at mayroong x squared, yun po ay quadratic equation. So, ito yung mga common questions na katanungan natin. Question number 1. 5x squared minus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Isip. Okay, tignan natin. Yung a is equal to 5. Yung b is equal to negative 5. Yung c is equal to negative 4. So, ibig sabihin, meron silang lahat. Kaya, answer dyan, quadratic. Nasusundan po ba natin? Next. Question number 2. X squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Tingnan natin. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. C is equal to negative 2. So, ibig sabihin, meron lahat. May quadratic term. Answer, quadratic siya. Question number 3. 3x squared is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? So, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. Answer, quadratic pa rin kasi B at C ang wala. So, number 4. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? A is equal to 0. Walang x squared. B is equal to 2. And C is equal to 5. So, answer, wala tayong A, kaya not quadratic. Kasi A is equal to 0. Number 5. 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? A is equal to 3. Meron. B is equal to 0. And C is equal to 5. So, sa tingin nyo, quadratic ba yan? May A. Meron tayong A. So, ang sagot natin dyan, answer, not quadratic. So, bakit? Bakit not quadratic? Meron namang squared. X squared. Kasi, sinasabi dyan na quadratic equation is an equation containing a single variable of degree 2. Kaya siya hindi nagiging quadratic equation dahil dyan, meron siyang x cube. So, yun lang po. Practice question na tayo. Yan, medyo na. Practice question tayo. Direction. Write yes if it is a quadratic equation and no if it is not. Write the value of A, B, C. Letter B. So, ito yung question. At ito yung yes or no at ABC. Doon tayo sa ABC muna. So, key answer. Sasagutan na ba natin o wag muna? So, sagutan na natin. Dahil nasagutan din lang naman natin eh. Huwag na natin patagalin. So, sa number 1, x squared minus 12. Ang meron lang dyan is yung A is 1 at yung C is negative 12. B is 0. B is 0. Merong A. Therefore, yes, quadratic siya. Ito naman, number 2. A is 8 at B 0, C 0. O, meron siyang quadratic. So, answer dyan is yes. 3. A is 3. B is 2. C is negative 7. Meron lahat. So, yes pa rin yan. Number 5. 4. 5 yung A. B is negative 1. C is negative 2. Meron pa rin lahat. Answer dyan is yes. Number 5. Walang A. 2 yung B at negative 7 yung C. Quadratic? No, hindi siya quadratic. Dahil 0 yung A. Number 6. Meron siyang A, negative 4. Meron siyang B. B is 0. C is 3. Quadratic o hindi? Tingnan muna. Tingnan natin dyan ha. Meron siyang x cube. Kaya, na x cube, no, hindi siya quadratic. At yung pang last natin, 0 ang A, 0 ang B, 0 ang C, at merong x fourth to the fourth. Quadratic or not? No. So, yun lang. At ang activity questions natin, ito ang kailangan nyong sagutan na para ipasa nyo sa amin sa Monday. Sa Friday. Wala. So, ito siya. Yan yung sasagutan nyo. Yan ang inyong sasagutan. I-comment nyo na lang sa baba yung sagot nyo kung tama. At doon ko i-check. Kung wala kayong internet, ibalik nyo sa akin yung module. Saka ako ulit ibabalik sa inyo. So, yun lang po. At thank you. Hindi ka na record?